A message from Dr. Seuss on The Secret to Success.
Attention all listeners, you, yes you, sitting in traffic with nothing to do. I'm Dr. Seuss, and my secret to success is about what you're wearing, your manner of dress. If you're having trouble, feeling down, feeling low, my advice, dear friend, is your clothing must go. Take off your pants and your skirt, your socks and your shoes, your knickers, boxer briefs, your lace pantaloons. Get totally naked from your head to your feet, because being naked just cannot be beat. You see, I'm a nudist, and I promise you now, the best things in life are au natural. Take Maverick Ranch beef franks, they're naked too. No fillers or byproducts or fake coloring goo. All Maverick products are raised on family farms, pesticide-free, providing a full line of 100% naturally naked meats for you and for me. I'm Dr. Seuss, and I'm telling you, everything's better when one's in a nude.
This has been a fictional reenactment. This message has not been approved or recorded by Dr. Seuss.